Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add a city name in Snapchat. Enable location permissions for Snapchat, then tap the sticker icon and choose the location sticker. Search or select the correct city from suggestions, adjust size and position, and snap a photo or record a video. Double-check the map preview for accuracy, and save or send your snap when you're happy with placement and appearance. In this video, I will show how to add a city name in Snapchat. Go to your phone settings, find Snapchat, and enable location access and precise location. Return to Snapchat and confirm the app shows your current area on the camera screen. If the city name does not appear, toggle permissions off and on, or restart the app to refresh location data. Once updated, the location sticker will offer relevant city. In this video, I will show how to add a city name in Snapchat. After taking a snap, tap the sticker button and choose the location sticker, then pick the city or search for it manually. Drag, pinch, and rotate the sticker to place it where it looks best on your photo or video. You can tap the sticker to cycle style options and use other edits like captions or filters before sharing the snap with friends.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.